Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching another video, you guys. Well, before I get into the video, I want to say to my amazing supporters, thank you guys so much for all your amazing support. Thank you for always showing love on my channel. I appreciate every single one of you guys. So, as you guys can tell, y'all see, I am currently in my closet. So, I'm explaining y'all why I'm in my closet. Before I get into that, it is currently September 7th, 8:52 p.m. So I'm telling y'all why I'm in my closet. Some of y'all have requested fashion videos from me. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know. And if you know me in real life, you know the fits go crazy sometimes. Y'all love my fashion. So I figured I would incorporate this on my channel. I was a little bit like reserved or nervous, if I may say, about doing it, but it's out of my comfort zone. So I'm gonna challenge myself to do it, to bring y'all more fashion videos. And the other thing that is also requested is beauty videos. So y'all gonna see more of that on my channel. I'm gonna try something different. I've never like tried this before. I never shared fashion videos with y'all. I never shared like beauty videos with y'all, so I'm gonna try and we're gonna see how it goes. And yeah, so as y'all could tell, I'm not 100% sure what the title of this video is gonna be, but basically I'm about to show y'all how my closet is right now. As y'all know, if y'all live in the States, fall is currently approaching. It's like 2 more weeks until fall. It's starting to get cold, the weather's starting to change, you know, it's starting to be like hoodie season now. Like all that summer stuff is like out the window. So usually around this time of the year, I usually like change out my certain things in my closet. So right now, for example, like my boots, my fall shoes and stuff, they're like under my bed because I ran out of space in my closet. So I'm about to switch them out and show y'all. But before I like organize my closet and everything like that, because that's what this video is basically about, is like how I organize my closet to make it easier to style and profile, you know, to put my fits together and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm gonna organize my closet. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do it and give y'all like a closet tour. So I'm gonna do it before and I'm gonna do it after. As I told y'all, this is my closet. This is where I keep my shoes right now. Like, of course, below, I know I have a lot of shoes. Everything is not perfectly organized, so I want to show y'all me organizing them. These are more shoes over here, and then when I rearrange, y'all gonna see. But this is my wedding dress, clothes, more clothes. This is my husband's clothes. I don't be caring to organize his clothes because he like his stuff how he likes them. But I'm going to show y'all how I do mine. More of his clothes. And then I'm going to try to get up here as much as I can. But here's my bags and stuff like that. They don't really need to be organized, but yeah. So that's my quick closet tour. Right now my closet is not that big, but I'm going to speak it into existence. This right here is actually my vision board from 2018. And this, I don't know if y'all can see it, but for my 23rd birthday, I believe my sister gave this to me. So all right, y'all, so here we go. I'm gonna just show y'all how I start. Move this stuff, of course, put everything that's not in a box back in the boxes that they came out of. Alright, so now that everything is in their box, I'm gonna remove all the stuff that are not like shoes related right now and put them over by my bed. And now I gotta raise, sorry. And now I gotta raise my bed up so that I can get my shoes from under it. So And then boom, these are all my boots. So I start with my bigger box first. Put that one down. So the shoes are pretty much done. What I am gonna do until summer is like all the way done, I'm gonna keep my I'm gonna keep my open toe shoes still close by, just in case, you know, you have that one like sunny day that you feel like popping out with open toe shoes. You can, because summer is not like fully over, but it's pretty much over. So I'm gonna stack my open toe shoes here. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stack them. I'm gonna slide this back right here, but then once summer is officially done, they're gonna go under my bed. That's how that's gonna be for now. And one thing I'm gonna show y'all so that y'all could get the concept of organizing. Let me take this off. So all of my shoes, as y'all could see, again, because of how my closet is, I keep my shoes in the boxes, so I make sure I could see the style of the shoes. I actually know exactly what each shoe look like, so I just keep like where I could see the picture. That's what's turned towards me. If it's not, I gotta turn it around. If it's not turned around, I know this shoe. But yeah, for the most part, as y'all can see, all of my shoes, like you can see the image of them. So yeah, that's how I organize my shoe stuff. As I told y'all, I was gonna put that back there. I'm gonna show y'all again at some point, but that's the shoes part of it. All right, y'all, so now we are on to the clothes. I was gonna like take everything out and then move it back in, but there's no point in doing that. That is way too much work for your girl. So I'm gonna just explain how I organize, because some stuff is just like a little bit out of order. I suggest do what works for you. I'm just telling you what I do and what works for me. So I pretty much like color coordinate, I clothes coordinate, if that makes sense, and then that's it. Like, it's really simple. It's not hard, but it's simple, if that makes sense. Because I don't want to like overcomplicate this video. So for me, for example, like in the beginning right here, I hope y'all can see. Yeah, y'all can see. Like all my orange stuff is right here in the beginning, like my multicolor orange stuff. This white shirt do not belong here, so I'm gonna have to move it to where the whites are. But that's how I do it. I just kind of color coordinate. So this side of my closet is a mixture of like tops and dresses, because if you know me, you know I wear a lot of dresses. I do have pants, but the pants section is back here, but we gonna get there eventually. So basically all the orange, the nude colors are right here. The multicolor, like this dress, it has a mixture of like orange and white, so I feel like white is the next color to go in line, so that's the next color that is up on here. And then again, this is like multicolor yellow. That's the other thing. So if I look at something, whatever color I see first or how I'm going to remember it, that's where I put it. Because like I'll remember, I'm gonna use this dress as an example. When I see this dress, I see yellow. That's what I'm gonna remember. I'll forget all the other colors in there, but I'm gonna remember I have this yellow dress, so I'm gonna put it where the yellows are. That's how I organize. This is like blue and white. This goes where like the multicolor white stuff goes. That's where I need to move it to, or it could go to blue, either one, but that's where it's going for now. This one, again, this is like my multicolor section. This one definitely don't go right here, but this is like multicolor yellow, orange, yellow, orange. So that's how I organize. Then we move on to like multicolor, like white. I feel like if you have multiple color, you could kind of just stick it anywhere, but I just put it where I'm going to remember. So multicolor, like black and white is next for me, then red, as y'all can see, red, then burgundy. So if it's multicolor, red, black, like I said, red is what I remember the most on this dress, so it's gonna go where the reds are, reds and burgundy. My clothes are not that disorganized, it's not much to do, it was really just my shoes. So yeah, now we're on to like the pinks. Pinks is pretty much organized. Then it's like blue. Y'all, I have a lot of blue clothes. Blue is like one of my top favorite colors. So as y'all can see, all my blue, multi-blue is there. Yeah, so that's how I organize like my clothes and stuff like that. I don't really keep like summer and winter like two separate, if that makes sense. Like, I'm not a person that's like, oh, I'm gonna take out all the winter stuff out of my closet and put them somewhere. Like, I don't do that, because my clothes, I feel like a lot of my clothes is like interchangeable. So I, for example, like a summer dress, I could take a summer dress by itself and then style it in the winter with like how do you call it? I don't know what you call these things, like a duster, or I could style it with like a vest. So my clothes are like interchangeable, like with the seasons a little bit. Like when I purchase clothes, that's one of the ways I purchase them, but that's for a separate video. So yeah, I don't do that. I keep everything in the closet all year round, just in case, because sometimes too in the summertime, like indoors be closed, indoors be cold, so you could pull off like a winter dress, if I may say, in somewhere that's indoor because it's cold during the summertime. I'm not saying pull out like a full-fledged jacket with some boots and Timbs or whatever. No, I'm not saying that, but there are some stuff that you could pull off that's winter clothes in the summertime and vice versa. So yeah, now we're at the black. My black stuff, like, they stay how they are. And then honestly, towards like the back of my closet, like for this side, I keep like exclusives, if that makes sense. So stuff that I know that I'm gonna wear more like on a special occasion, I kind of put them back there. Or that's another thing too, if there is something that I feel like is winter related that I'm probably not bound to wear, I put them to the back. But either way, they stay here all year round. So this is how like I organize my clothes stuff. As y'all can see, wait, let me move the camera so y'all can see. So as y'all can see right here, I have like my skirts and stuff hanged up. I got all like my jackets and blazers and stuff like that. That's just kind of how I organize my stuff. So for my pants also, I keep like all the sweatpants together. I keep the lighter like pants together. Jeans, I only own one pair, but yeah, that's how I organize like my closet. All my vests are together or whatever. No specific like order, but just how I know how to access them. So I'm gonna organize, I guess, over here, because this did kind of come out of order, similar to how these are. So y'all see black, blue, pink, red, like that, multicolor in the front. So that's how I organize my clothes. So I'm gonna do this part, and then we're gonna get to the bags, and then I'll be done. That will be my closet. Alright, y'all, I am done. This is like the finished product of my clothes. It's not a special or fancy way that I do it, but keep it simple. All you do is color coordinate and sort by clothing. And for shoes, as I told y'all, just turn them the way that you can see them and organize them by seasons, by the fanciness of them, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go on to the bags now. All right, y'all, so we are on to the bag portion of it. This is the bag that I actually wore today, so it actually goes right there. So similar to my clothing, I color coordinate when it comes to my bags, as y'all can see. So I have my black, like darker color bags, all the reds, all the pinks, purplish in between, blue, yellowish, orange, and then like my nudes bags right here. And I try to display like the nicer ones in the front. And yeah, that's how I organize my bags. As y'all can see, I ran out of space too. My main bag, like this was like my everyday bag right here, so I always keep it right here in the front of my closet, so that whenever, like whatever bag I pick that I'm gonna wear, I literally just pick it and I transfer my stuff that I know I'm gonna use from out of there into that bag. So there's the light. There's the light thing. I taped it on, y'all, because I switched our room around, and I always would have to be like looking for the remote, which I don't like, so I taped it on. The cool thing I like with this light, you could brighten it up, you could dull it down, and that's how you turn it off. So another thing to mention in my closet is I have this rack thingy that holds all my scarves. As y'all can see, I definitely don't organize this thing. Let me try to show y'all. It keeps all my scarves on there, and it stays right here. Alright, you guys, so here goes the final closet tour. Now that everything is done, everything is organized, so I'm gonna show y'all. So as I told y'all, I got my poster up there to keep the vision in mind. Then we come down to here where I got my shoes. The key to organizing your shoes is just turn them to where you can see them. Keep your everyday shoes like closer to the exit, and then of course my fancier shoes like further in. As I mentioned, I keep my everyday bag here, and once I pick which bag I'm going to wear, I transfer all my stuff from out of it and put it in there. I got my winter shoes here, waist trainer, whatever, and stuff like that. Have my bags up here, as I told y'all, so I choose whichever bag I'm going to wear, take whatever I need from out of there and put it in that bag. Then you go down to here. Oh, before I move on, as I told y'all, I color coordinate my bags and stuff like that down to my clothes now, so keep everything pretty much hanged up. Yeah, and I color coordinate, so as y'all can see, the yellows, the oranges are all together, reds are all together, pinks, blues, pants are all together, jackets and vests, etc., they're all together. So yeah, that's my closet tour. That's where I put my other boots back here, the bigger boxes or whatever, because I know I probably won't wear those until like further into winter. I still have my wedding dress, which is in here. So these are shirts that hubby don't wear anymore. Those are his stuff up there, and then these are also his stuff, but the main focus of this video was my stuff. So I think that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm not gonna lie, it was definitely a lot of work. I feel like when you do something like without filming it, sometimes like it's a little bit easier than filming when you're filming it, because when you're filming it, it's like you got to get the proper angles for people to see and stuff. But it was a good challenge for me, and it was out of my comfort zone, as I told y'all. So I really hope y'all like this video. This is just one this is just one of many more fashion videos to come. So everyone that did recommend the fashion section of my channel, I appreciate y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great. Bye.